cannot wait to show you around. Come on in. Let me show you what we did in this beautiful house. So when we bought the property, there were fans everywhere. Here in the living room, in this dining space, and over in the kitchen nook. But the ceilings are low. So we took all of the fans out and just put puck lights in the ceiling so that it's nice and bright and everything just feels much taller that way. So we wanted to make sure that we opened up the space, and just changing the lighting like that was able to do that. So now when you walk in here, you're in this beautiful, very open, lots of natural light, but then lots of great light from the ceiling. And so you've got a dining space, living, breakfast nook, and then open to this grand, wonderful kitchen. We actually kept the cabinets, but we painted them and refreshed them with some new cabinet pulls, and then of course the stainless steel appliances, granite, and new backsplash, just to give this a total refresh. So there's actually lots of counter space here, which is really nice, and then you have the extension here for parties or whatever's going to go on. But it's just a really great use of the space, and we're excited for how bright and airy everything feels. This 3-bedroom house has all bedrooms down this hallway here. So the 2 bedrooms already have wood floors. So we kept that going. We just painted and did the baseboards. They already actually even had the fans in there, which was great. And so we were able to just do real easy refreshes in these rooms, but they get really great and white, which is wonderful. And then of course, just the high baseboards makes it feel so big in there. And then behind me is the second bath. So in this, they already had a new vanity. So we replaced the countertop, painted the mirror. They already had these can lights. So of course we did the fixtures and the poles. And then in the shower, we did a new tile shower surround and a new faucet. So I love this black brushed finish. It's so fabulous. And then we've got the black grout behind it, so it all just kind of plays off of each other. But it just turned out so beautifully, and I love these hex tiles so much. So anyways, this is our second bath. We're really pleased with how it turned out. Here we are in the master retreat, you guys. This master is huge. So we've got this fabulous sitting space as soon as you walk in, which I just love. You can make this an office, you can make this a den. And there's actually a built-in over here. We took out the bottom piece of that and added these drawers for the countertops. So you've got tons and tons of storage in here, and just this really nice, peaceful space with the window and everything. It's just a really great area in the master. But then of course, still a large master bedroom with double doors to go outside. Lots of great space in here. So these are the same floors as the other rooms. They have these extra in the garage, and so we were able to use them, which we were very pleased about. And then of course, renovated the master bath. So we removed everything, vanity floor, toilets, the shower, everything. Did these gorgeous new floors, which is my favorite thing I think we've probably ever done. New custom vanity, we did a dual sink, and so the nice thing about building a vanity in such a small space is that you can kind of make the sinks fit. So I really thought that 2 sinks was important. I love it at my home. I thought that they would love it here. And then of course brought everything up with the vertical mirrors and then the 2 sconces. So it makes it all feel like it fits in here instead of feeling cramped. So you still have some good counter space in between the 2 sinks. And then of course the gorgeous bath. I love this tile surround, and just doing it in that vertical lay instead of horizontally just makes it different and pop. And then of course all the black grout and the black faucet finishes. We just love it. So this is the tour of our house. Thank you so much for joining us, and we cannot wait to get some renters in here. Out here, and so there were flagstones already here. We repurposed it to make like this stone patio, added the black star gravel, and then behind me is a covered patio that actually was enclosed when we purchased the property, and there was a door over here on the side so you could get out into the backyard. But we opened it up, put tile on the floor, wrapped the beams, painted it, and put a fan out here so that you have a really nice exterior space that just flows into this stone patio and out into the huge backyard. We are so pleased with how this transformation came out.
We are EverSan Cooper, your as-is home buyer.